Rumors are true. Names that are legendary. StockLegends.com.
Hello, StockLegends.com. Here today we're looking at STHG, and we're expecting great things from this particular stock. For some more details and information, please go to StockLegends.com. Under the ticker symbol, it will soon say STHG, and you'll be able to read our investment research report when you click on that link. And also be sure to follow us on Twitter by clicking the lovely blue bird, and also sign up for our mailing list by entering your name and email address here, so you get all our investment research reports and our charts and all the extra wonderful things that we send out to our subscribers. So going back to the chart here, this is a 6-month chart. You can see we've got basically a channel here. We have some long-term support here at 0002 and some resistance here at 0007. And if you take a look at the volume, you can see volume started to pick up here and ran the price up, and we broke the 7-cent area, and this created a breakout. You can also see that the MACD's pointing upwards, giving us that upward trend, and the stock runs up. I've drawn a blue trend support line pushing the prices up higher and ran up to 0021. You can see the RSI peaked here around 85, giving us that overbought signal, and then the stock price basically reversed when we broke our trend line. The MACD also crossed over, giving us that sell signal, and the stock had another pullback. Now what we basically have here is another type of a pattern forming. This is what we would call a descending triangle. We've got support at the 0002, and we've got a resistance trend line pushing the prices lower. You can see that we connect to the high points here. The more times you connect with it, the more confirmed that that is a resistance trend line or any sort of a trend line. So we've connected with it at least 3 times, signaling that we've got a downward trend. Also, you can see the MACD gave us that sell signal. The 2 lines crossed over, and the histogram bars also moved into negative territory, confirming a sell signal. So I've drawn a red vertical line here giving us that sell signal. We've got all sorts of coinciding sell signals here. Also, volume starts to drop, another sign that there's not any buying interest to push the stock up any higher. And we move into a downward trend. Now we've got another breakout here, and this is the exciting part, because see the MACD is crossing upward. It's now opened up. You can see they were kind of overlapping over top of each other. Now they actually opened up right at the breakout point, so we've got coinciding indicators confirming the stock's now in an upward trend. Although we don't have enough low points to confirm that we have a trend line yet, it's going to be moving in an upward direction here. So our first low point here is basically 0003, and we've got some resistance here at 0008, so we could possibly see some resistance up in here. Oops, wrong one here. 0008 could be a resistance, or possibly our old resistance of 0007. Watch for some resistance up in this area, and if we get above here, then we won't have any resistance until our 0021. So possibility we can get up there as well, depending on how strong volume is. We should see if this will run well or not. Now we also have the RSI starting to trend up. That's a good sign at 48. Certainly not overbought. 70 to 85 to 90 would give us an overbought area, so we're certainly a long ways off from there. And also you can see that the money flow is also turning up, another very bullish sign. You can see it's trending upward in between these 2 blue lines, so also a great sign there as well. The stock's moving in an upward trend when the money flow starts to roll back in. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to sign up to StockLegends.com, and happy trading.